Kitty in the moth. Again. I'll try to combine these.
Chevron Extra Mile. Extra easy, extra value. At select Chevron locations.
Oh, that's good.
Meet Patrick and Becky English, owners of the new Chevy Malibu.
That's the moth.
I've been a Toyota owner for many years,
Cute.
as most owners would be.
Hey, Dad. Filming the cat with the moth. The moth. The cat was chasing after the moth. It's kind of half dead. It's like barely walking around. What? The cat just flipped out. When? Dad, what are we gonna do about the moth? I can't pick it up. It's disgusting and creepy. Give me a napkin. I know. Damn it. Stupid moth. Okay, moth. You're going with me. I'll put you outside. Kitty, your cheeks get to the moth still? Poor moth. I must pick you up now. Get on the napkin. Get on this napkin. I can't do this. I have bug phobia. How in the world do you get a bug? There you are. Moth. You are going outside. Filthy, filthy moth. Let me put the moth outside. Go on. Good. Ah. Must I do something with you? Get off of the paper. There you are. Can't see you because it's too dark, but the moth is gone. The moth is gone. Jesus Christ.
If she even takes this away from me, I will kill her.